Hello, everyone. This is the weekly review for Model United Nations from May 17th to May 28th, which actually makes it a bi-weekly review, but they were shortened weeks, and that is why. We continued working on the Level 2 formative for the Select and Use Tools indicator. Students were asked to select a country and find sources pertaining to that country's government, history, geography, economics, and political alliances. Students were also asked to find examples of both ethical and non-ethical reasoning skills through the Level 2 formative. We then had a writing prompt, which introduced the Level 3 formative work or criteria for the current indicator we are working on of selecting and using tools. If you given the country a blank, this is what the writing prompt looked like. You would chose a country for this simulated Model UN conference and then ask, what would you do? Consider what you would select for the tools, the primary and secondary sources, oral history, etc. From there, that writing prompt basically led to an introduction to the Level 3 formative. Students were asked to look at agenda issues from the climate conference. These issues included financing a climate fund, setting reduction emission targets, and technology transfer. Technology transfer from more industrialized countries to the less industrialized or the developing countries. As far as executive functioning skills, we continue to work on positive relationships. Those were done through the work together that was completed for the Level 1 formative for this particular indicator. And at the end of the week, students were introduced to the summative assessment. Through the work on the leveled formative, students will use the preliminary information and research to work toward writing Model UN resolutions, particularly around those three issues from the climate conference. What's next? Finishing the formative and summative work for selecting and using the tools indicator for the Unit 4 work we're doing on building a Model UN club. We will complete an exit ticket for positive relationships and begin to focus on the next executive functioning skill, dependability. That's it for now. Take care.